Welcome back. Today we are going to be cleaning my boots. So I've had these boots for a while, over a year, and I have not been taking care of them. So they are pretty dirty. They're nice boots. They should last a long time, but I haven't been taking care of them, and I need to be. Today we're going to be trying out Obenauf's Heavy Duty LP. This stuff is supposed to be awesome for leather and boots in tough conditions. And my boots are out here every day in the desert, hot heat, dirt, construction, all that stuff. So we're gonna get to cleaning them, conditioning them, and see how they turn out.
So the application of this stuff is really easy and straightforward. I am just cleaning my boots with a damp cloth. I didn't use any cleaners or conditioners at this point. I am just getting the dirt off of them and making sure that they're nice and clean. Once they've been cleaned, the application is super easy, and Obenauf's actually recommends that you use your hands to put this stuff on because the heat from your hands and the friction will help it absorb into the leather. So it's a solid product, but once you rub your fingers around in it, it'll start to lather up and you'll be able to get some out to put on your boots or whatever you're putting it on. And they just recommend putting a nice coat on, but just get it all over the place. Just, make sure to get it inside and out if you can, and that will help it stay better conditioned. I'm not sure what all is in it, but it's all natural. The main ingredients are beeswax and propolis, which is from trees. So it does a great job helping to naturally waterproof and condition any leather products that you have, as well as restoring stuff like these boots that were pretty dried out and worn. It is mold, mildew, and bacteria resistant. It repels chemicals and acid, and overall just helps your leather stay in great condition.
Okay, and we're back. It has been about 6 months since I did the first application of the Obenauf's Heavy Duty LP. As you can see, my boots have gotten pretty dirty again. I haven't really done anything to them besides brush them off now and then to get some of the dirt off. But I haven't done another application, I haven't really done a clean on them. And as you can see, they're pretty dirty, but they haven't really lost a lot of the sheen, especially up here on the top where it hasn't gotten as dirty. You can see it's still got some good color to it. That conditioner is still in here. And then the whole boot, pretty much all around, besides, the toes obviously, you've got the steel toes, but everything's pretty soft even though it is dirty. So this stuff is definitely keeping them from getting dried out. Now we're just heading into the summer months now, so we haven't hit the worst of the heat yet, but I'm pretty sure that's gonna hold up pretty well. And again, it's been 6 weeks since I put this on. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe them down, and we'll get to see what they look like after 6 weeks of hard work. So as you guys saw, I went ahead and wiped these down. There was just a damp cloth, no conditioner or anything on that, and they look pretty good. They're torn up and stuff, but they were like that before I put the initial coat of conditioner on them, and I'm kind of rough on my boots, so what you're gonna do. But as far as the condition of the leather, these things look great. So I actually wiped them down and have been waiting for them to kind of dry out from me wiping them down, waiting for them to lighten up in color, and then I realized they weren't going to lighten up. This is, once I got the dirt off, that's pretty much what it looks like as far as the color of the leather, because that conditioner is still sitting in there working. So I am super pleased with Obenauf's Heavy Duty LP. This stuff is legit. I definitely recommend it. As I said, it's been 6 weeks since the first application. I did do 2 coats on the first application, so I knew that they were going to be seeing some heavy use and some rain, but this stuff is holding up great. This is the 8 ounce, oh no, this is the 4 ounce, and I probably used maybe less than a third of it on that first coat. And then I've used some, when I first put the first coat on, my hands were like super soft and felt really good after doing that. I've usually got dry hands. I really get dried out here. I'm from the southern Houston area, so I'm used to a lot of humidity in the air, and here in New Mexico it really dries me out. So I've been using lotions and stuff, and after I did the initial coat with this, my hands stayed nice and conditioned for a while. So I was like, I'm gonna start using this on some of my hands and elbows and stuff where I get pretty dried out. So it's all natural stuff. I definitely recommend it. It's a leather preservative, but works great on hands. You can use it on your lips. It's There's nothing in there that's going to hurt you, but use it on your leather products. You can use it on your boots, you can use it on your gloves, you can use it on your tools. Anything that you've got that's leather, go ahead and throw it on there. It will protect the leather, condition it, help keep it nice and beautiful. It is a water repellent, so you can waterproof your boots with this stuff. I'm super happy with it. I'm gonna go ahead and put on a second coat now so that I'm good to go for another 6 weeks. And that'll probably be my schedule, just every 6 weeks. Clean off my boots and put on another coat just to be sure, especially with the summer coming up. So check the description for a link to buy some of this stuff on Amazon. Again, I can't really recommend it highly enough. Be sure to like this video if it has helped you make a decision on whether you want to use it for your own leather products. Subscribe to the channel to see more videos of product reviews and work that I'm doing around my house. And leave me a comment and let me know what you think. If you have tried it, if you have another leather conditioning product that you think I should check out, let me know in the comments below. And thanks for watching.